Many years ago, I've been practicing for 30 years, been doing sexual harassment, discrimination, and employment law for 30 years. And probably about 25 years ago, I was getting all upset and angry about a defense attorney who was making some really rude comments about my client, and I got in his face and I basically told him to go to hell, and I said, you have no idea what you're talking about. And I was obviously getting pretty fired up, and I'll never forget that he said, Eric, relax, don't get so emotionally involved. These are our clients. You don't have to get so emotionally involved in it. And I said, what are you talking about? I said, I put myself in the shoes of my clients. I pretend as if this were happening to me or to my daughter or to my wife or to my mother. That's what I think of. And I think that's what a client deserves. And I think any attorney who says, oh, don't get too emotional, don't get too involved in the case, I think they're doing their client a huge disservice. I think you have to become one with the client. You have to become partners with them. You have to get to know them. And you have to have a relationship with them to the point where if something is done to your client in the case, or is something that was done to your client, you feel like it was done to you. So I say to that attorney from 25 years ago, no, I think you need to become more involved in your client's case. It's okay to be emotionally involved. I think we actually have a duty to